Welcome students. In this video we will discuss about the packing in crystals. To understand this concept, the basic constituent of crystal are atom, ions or molecules. These basic constituents are considered as the hot sphere. So now we can discuss how to pack the identical spheres to create cubic or hexagonal units. The first arrangement is linear arrangement. Linear arrangement of sphere in one direction. So in this arrangement, the spheres are arranged in one direction. Spheres are arranged in one direction so that each sphere is contact with two neighboring sphere. For example, if I consider this sphere and this is contact with the two neighboring spheres, this arrangement is known as linear arrangement. And second one is two-dimensional arrangement. Two-dimensional close packing. This two-dimensional close packing can be done in two different ways. One is AAA type and second one is ABAB type. First, we discuss about the AAA type. Here, linear arrangement of sphere in one direction is repeated in two dimensions. That means this is the linear arrangement of sphere in one direction is repeated in two dimensions. So like that is repeated in two dimensions, so that all spheres of different rows align vertically and also horizontally. This is the horizontal alignment, this is the vertical alignment of the spheres. So all spheres are arranged vertically and also horizontally. If you consider this as A type, this first row as A type, and this arrangement is known as AA type because all rows are identical as the first one. So this arrangement is known as AA type. And in this arrangement, each sphere in contact with four of its neighbor. For example, if I consider this sphere and this sphere is contact with 1, 2, 3, 4 of its neighbor. This type of arrangement is known as AA type. So another one is second type is AB type. In this type, the second row spheres are arranged in such a way that they fit into the depression of the first row. For example, this is the first row of the sphere, and second row of the spheres are arranged to fit into the depression of the first row. So this is the second row spheres. Again the first row is repeated, second row is fitted in the depression of the previous row. Now this row is considered as the A and this is considered as the B. This type of arrangement is known as AB type of arrangement. Among these two, AA type and ABAB type, the ABAB type of arrangement is a very good arrangement, and here comparing to these two arrangement, the AB type found that closed arrangement than AA type. Thank you.